Hi guys, if you're new here, hi, I'm Delvina. If you watch some of my videos and have been around, hi, I'm Delvina. I just wanted to kind of reach out and introduce myself. I have this hobby, it's called thrift shopping, and which throughout the years I have taught myself how to tailor, mend, and repair. Basically, just a self-taught seamstress. I do have this fascination about um, really bringing secondhand clothing back to life. And well, okay, enough about me. Let's get into the dress. I think this has to be the smallest thrifted gown that I have picked up. It's just so little, and all those little frillies. It was just way too cute to pass up. The dress was in good condition. I did give it a good deep cleaning and went through to make sure that there was no snags, rips, or tears. Basically, it was just nothing more than a bunch of loose threads. I hope that you got some enjoyment from this dress as much as I did. I thought this was kind of a fun thrifted cleanup. And until then, take care.